Welcome again and thanks for joining us for Links 007 TV. Let's talk. Well, the situation between Major Hype and his ex-lover still continues to propel on social media. And his former ex-lover have actually been making some posts on social media, and we're about to update you as it relates to those posts and what she has been saying since Major Hype came out with his video. When we return, we'll have the exclusive details of this to come on the program. This is Links 007 TV. Let's talk, and we'll be right back after this break. Welcome back. Thanks for joining us. Without no delay, let me just get straight into the meat of the matter. So, as you know, a friend of Curry, and that's Major Hype ex lover, have launched a GoFundMe page in honor of her, and also just trying to seek some financial aid in order to assist with her taking a legal battle against the comedian Major Hype. So during the course of this week, she started making a number of posts, and we're about to share those with you right now on the program. So in a recent post, she said, I have a choice about what I accept and what I don't accept. And what I accept or don't accept is based on the fact that today I know what love is and I know what love isn't. And it isn't compliance and obedience to dysfunctional rules. Choosing love meant I chose to reject anything less than love. When I choose love, I choose life. I chose truth, and I chose me. So that was one of the posts that she made on her social media platform, which have been so far liked by over 1,000 people. She then went on to make some follow-up posts which read, It really sucks that I have to prove that I'm telling the truth. Why would I lie? He didn't take account for one single blow and then said I beat him. No, that is sick. So that was one of the posts that she made later after, and she's actually referring to the comedian Major Hype. She then went on to make another follow-up post which read, So he continued his abuse. What happened to my face? This is why women don't speak out. You beat me and refuse to apologize, let alone acknowledge it. So that was what she actually stated, that she was actually beaten and that she was actually looking for an apology, which was not forthcoming in the video put out by the comedian Major Hype. She then went on to do another post which read, Pulling out private messages from my phone but still haven't shared the discharge papers after a heart attack. Show your left hand that you cut right in front of me to make me stay abusive. And then she did a gross sign as in yuck. So that was just some of the posts that she made on her social media platform. So she then went on to make some other follow-up posts from her social media platform. She stated that those text messages that were sent, or that Major Hype exposed, were messages that were from 6 months after she left him. So her message read, Major Hype is a narcissist and a liar. The text messages that he exposed was when I left him and was gone for 6 months. We were not together. I never cheated. So that was what she was actually stating. So she's actually stating that she has never cheated on Major Hype, and those text messages that were exposed by the comedian was actually text messages, or were actually text messages, I should say, that were after the relationship went sour, and she never at no point in her life cheated on him while they were in a relationship. But many people still are questioning the video that made rounds on social media, And the fact that a phone that was used in the video could not have been 10 years ago. And these are just some of the things that people are just looking at and wondering who is actually telling the truth in the whole entire scenario that played out on social media. But I can tell you that this situation is not going to die anytime soon, as more information becomes in the public domain and the people are talking, and social media is just having a buzz with this. And it's very sad to see how this has spilled over on social media, and the fact that this individual is actually a popular figure on the international stage and also the local stage. It's very sad to see what is really transpiring in this whole entire situation. Now it seems as if the wife is about to take legal action, as she's actually started a GoFundMe page, or someone that is close to her have started a GoFundMe page in her on her behalf, in actually to assist with financial aid to take this matter to court, as she has stated that revenge porn was used in the whole entire thing, and this is actually damaging to her career, as she was actually a police officer, and based on the fact that this was released to the public domain, she would not be able to re-enlisted as a police officer. But we'll continue to just keep you up to date with this one though. But it's very sad to see what's really happening. And most of the time people have relationship problems. All I can say, the best thing is just try to keep it off social media, because taking it to social media will only blow the whole entire thing out of proportion, which we have seen happen in this case. So just continue to just follow Links 007 TV for the latest, and we'll try to update you as best as possible with more to come. This is Links 007 TV taking you out once more from the program. Peace out and bless.
Throwing out me and my son's stuff out of the closet. Leave my stuff alone. Okay, so leave my stuff alone. You don't have to throw my stuff out.
This ain't no storage. This is not a storage.
I'm going to make arrangements to get my things. Do not throw out my stuff. Don't throw out my furniture. Do not throw out my stuff.
Sorry.
Let me leave and go my way. Stop throwing out my stuff. You being bitter and you being nasty. So stop throwing out while you throwing out me and my son's stuff, destroying my son's stuff.
You care about your son? You care about my son?
Yeah, no.
You care about my son?
Yeah, no.
Oh.